Hey everyone, sorry about all the missing videos. I'm just struggling to find enough time to actually trade as well as video them. Like today, I was just, it was impossible to video it, so I just wanted to do a quick recap. Um, Trading New York Stock Exchange open 09:35 a.m. This is the opening range high and the opening range low, this box right here. And it definitely pushed down, but there were no fair value gaps, so it was kind of just weird price action. It was like no real conviction. It did sweep the low, so I was looking for longs basically because I didn't really see any big. I mean, it was, it's a decent move, but there just wasn't any like real significant displacement candles, if that makes sense. So anyway, 10 a.m. had news right here, so we had a news candle, and then we had this fair value gap, which is already mitigated by news. Bottom line, it's just a little confusing for me today. So I didn't really take any trades in the normal macro times that I'm looking, say 9:45 a.m. to 10:15. But I did leave the charts up, and I basically used another YouTuber's model, if you will. They used the 5-minute opening range breakout, and basically just look for a close above that level if you're looking for longs, of course, with a fair value gap, which we got right here. The only problem was that it was just at a bad time, which is 9:20. 9:20 a.m. is when that fair value gap got created, and yeah, I saw it and I hopped in and it just kind of waffled around. I let it go for 12 points and I was like, okay, that's, it's $500 or so with 2 contracts, I think, somewhere around there. Anyway, got out of there, and then again, I tried again right here, but I was like, you know what, it just doesn't seem right. There was another fair value gap, small one. I just wasn't real confident in this one right here, just because it was before 10:45 a.m., which is the real macro time I was looking for. And as you can see, as soon as 10:45 a.m. hit, we got an entry model on this candle where the candle closed above the previous candle high, and I went ahead and entered on that spike right there. It took me in. I had a buy stop entry. It took me in, but I was okay. I had 20-point stop loss, 20-point take profit originally, but I let it go 22 so that I could pass this evaluation. That was today's trades. Kind of a weird day, to be honest with you. It's like just real lethargic type of price action in the morning. But then again, after 10 a.m., it just kind of took off. So anyway, that's all I got for today. I didn't record any of my other trades that I took this week. Kind of a choppy week for me. I did okay on this other eval, which I have going. I've got it up to about halfway, or a little less than halfway, I guess, to passing. So we'll focus on that next week. This other eval, not so good. I'm down about 1%. And I do have another evaluation account that I just started, which is Take Profit Trader, which is only a 25K account, which is kind of interesting because of the way the drawdown and passing, it's 1-to-1. So $1,500 drawdown and $1,500 to pass the evaluation phase to get to pro. So I can basically use the same risk as I am with these 1-to-1 20 points, which is $500 with one contract, and that would mean 3 chances at it, basically 3 chances to pass the evaluation, and then in 3 winning trades you pass. So there we go. We're gonna give that a go. Anyway, hopefully you had a great week. Hopefully you have a great weekend. I'm logging off for the week. I'm done. So hopefully you're doing well, and thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Take care.